Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last credit card video, I discussed a few reasons as to why you shouldn't own a credit card. And if you have seen that video and none of that applies to you, then maybe you are someone who should actually be getting one or more credit cards, since the pros definitely outweigh the cons if you have the financial fitness to use them wisely. Hello everybody, my name is Ken. Welcome to my channel, Financial Fitness, where I will be a personal finance coach to help you navigate through the ins and outs of everything money. Alright, so let's all be honest. Would you rather carry a single credit card around in your phone case or have a stack of cash with pennies and dimes rolling around in your pocket? Personally, I definitely prefer just carrying around a few credit cards rather than cash. It's easier at checkout. I don't have to count the bills. I don't have to get a bunch of change back. It's easy. Whatever I owe, one swipe, and it's done. Anyone still uses checks? The time it takes for you to write a check and have those machines at the check register go back and forth printing whatever it does on the check, I'm already halfway home. Literally, other than at some restaurants that will only take cash and certain stores like Costco that won't accept American Express, having a single credit card or maybe a few cards and you're set. You don't need cash, you don't need checks, you don't need to carry anything else with you. Traveling abroad, most developed countries will accept your credit card and there are plenty of cards that offers a 0% foreign transaction fee. There's no need for cash or checks in day-to-day life when credit cards are just so convenient. Not only is it convenient, credit cards are also extremely safe. I once had my pocket picked on a trip. It was 100% my fault for being dumb, and because I was carrying cash, it was all gone. Nothing left. No trace, no way to track it, nothing I can do to get it back. But if it was a credit card, one call to my provider and the account will be frozen where nothing anyone else can do can cost me a dime. Even if they did spend before I discovered the card was stolen, 99% of cards have fraud protection where you are covered for fraudulent spendings and won't have to worry about those charges. While debit cards also offers fraud protection, I can assure you it's way more troublesome to have banks refund your checking account when someone steals from your checking account compared to having a credit card cancelled and the charges wiped. Another great benefit of credit cards is that when used properly, they will help you tremendously with your credit score. Having, using, and paying off your monthly credit statement is without a doubt the easiest way to build up a great credit score without ever having to pay a single penny of interest. Since I personally never had a mortgage, a student loan, or car loan, I have never paid a single penny of interest for anything since I always pay off my credit card for the statement balance every single month without ever failing to do so. But without a mortgage or major loan, it would seem that it's not quite possible for me to hit the 800 credit score. But with a score around 760, I never had any trouble getting any credit card I want, and when I do wish to apply for a mortgage, my score is definitely good enough where I can get one of the best rates, and I definitely don't have any plan of ever getting a car loan. Speaking of car loans, another great use of a credit card is for the 0% interest on the first year to year and a half that quite a few cards offer. When the day does come for me to upgrade my car, I will either pay it off in cash or depends on the situation, I might just put it all on a 0% interest card and pay the monthly minimum until I pay it off fully before the 0% interest expires. While some dealership will limit a credit card charge to maybe $5,000, there are definitely a lot of dealerships out there that will let you charge the whole car on credit. And of course, to do so, you will need to have a high enough limit, and it's definitely not a strategy for the financially unfit. So for example, instead of paying $20,000 for a car in cash, I could invest that money for the next 12 to 18 months in a safe investment form, I don't know, maybe a 3% gain. While the return of maybe $500-$600 isn't that much compared to $20,000, why not take that free money if you're able and financially fit enough to handle it? And let's be honest, if you're wealthy enough to not care about $500 of free cash, then you ain't buying a $20,000 car. Last but definitely the biggest reason for someone like me to use credit card for all my purchases are the sign-up bonuses and the cashback rewards. Since there are so many irresponsible people using credit cards, companies can offer people like me great deals for signing up for new cards. Of course, as a financially fit individual, I am all about that free money and reward I can get. Since I'm going to be spending that money anyways, why not? Not only do I get a cashback between 1 to 10% depending on the card and how it's used, benefits I won't ever get by using cash, debit, or check. I'm also getting some amazing SunUp bonuses for those higher end cards. Back in May of 2019, so earlier this year, I took a 35-day trip to Europe, and by using my saved up reward points, I was able to save at least $3,000 on my trip. And I have also used my points for hotels, trips, gift cards, and many other things on many other occasions. If I have used any other type of payment, I won't be getting any of those benefits, and I will have to spend those money regardless. So why not taking those advantages that credit cards offer? Sure, some of the credit cards have an annual fee, and I have paid a few $100s a year in fees, but since I know I will be traveling and I know I will be spending the money, a few $100s of annual fee is nothing compared to the thousands of dollars I have saved by using those reward points. So yes, if you're financially fit and responsible, and I repeat, financially fit and responsible, then yes, you should 100% get yourself some credit cards. At first, you can start out with the ones without any annual fee, build up your credit, earn some cash back and gift cards, and once you're ready, you can move on to the higher end cards and start saving up for those sign-up bonuses and treat yourself to a free vacation across the world. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, subscribe, like, share, and leave me a comment on video topics for future videos. And like always, thank you for watching and have an awesome life.